Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to my channel Mindset IT Practical.
So let's start with a new program of 4A. Write a program that takes two lists and return a true if they have at least one common member. That means here in this program we need a two type of list and we have to compare each and every element with the given list so that we can identify the common member from the given list. So let's open Python 3.4 Python notepad or script pad. Here we are going to write a program. For this we have to write one function called as a common underscore data. So def is a keyword to define a function. The common underscore data is a function name having a parameter as a list1 and list2. That means it will be used to calling a function. We have to pass two type of list1 or list2. Next we are going to use a result as one variable. It is defined as a false because the question is required it return a true if any common list element are displayed. To compare each and every element we need a for loop, so that from the given list 1 we are going to use as a x one by one element and compare with the another variable which is available, another element which is available in a list 2. So we need again another for loop as we are using a two different list. Now for x in a I from the list 1, for y in a list 2. Now we are going to use a conditional statement to check the element one by one is equivalent or not. So here if x is equal to y, if it is a true, then we have to use a result is equal to true and we are going to return the result. That means if the condition is satisfied, the function will be written as a true. Now to call the function, here we use the statement called as print common underscore data with a two type of list 1 2 3 4 comma 5 6 7 8. So here we get to know कि 5 is a element which is common in both the list. Okay. Similarly we execute the write a statement for the another example, print common underscore data parenthesis open 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here we clearly seen कि there is no any common element. Okay, save the program, run the program using a F5 or run module. Output will be true or none because this output is for first calling a function for this, and second is a none because we don't want to display if the list is not having any common element. So for that the answer will be none. Again if you want to call the function, you need to write common data with a list. Suppose I write 4 5 6 completed, another list suppose 3 2 3 7 and the complete, as it does not represent because we have to write the statement inside the print. So whenever the function any return the value, it should be called inside the print. No common element. Okay, now again we write the function. Here we write the 3 and the enter, answer is true. So this is how we are finding out representing two elements and we return as a true if they found any at least one common member. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.